Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something really unique to show you, the Bluetooth gramophone from Kepper. It combines vintage aesthetics with modern features like Bluetooth connectivity, USB and TF slots. And trust me, the sound is surprisingly good because you can feel the bass also. So let's get started. First things, the packaging. Kepper gramophone comes packed in thermocol then in a box, so it's well protected during delivery. Inside the box you'll find the main wooden gramophone body, a real brass horn, a small elbow for the horn, a charger and a remote that helps to control the gramophone. And guys, it doesn't have a built-in battery, so it needs to stay plugged in when in use. Now let's set it up. First, take the small elbow and connect it to the top of the gramophone unit until it fits right in. Then take the horn and connect to the small elbow and you're good to go. The vintage design is pure elegance. With its wooden body, brass horn with modern features, this Kepper gramophone easily doubles as a decorative piece. Now the features are Bluetooth connectivity, RUX and TF card support, USB and FM radio options, fully controlled via the remote and the small logo attached on the left side as you can see. To power on the gramophone, first locate the charging cable and insert its connector into the charging port found at the back of the gramophone. Make sure the cable is securely connected with the gramophone. Next, plug the other end of the charger into a wall socket. Once connected, the device should begin power on automatically, like this.
FM mode. AUX mode.
Turn the mode knob to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
Here's how to connect your phone via Bluetooth. Make sure the device is plugged in and powered on. You might hear a tone or see an indicator. On your phone, search for available devices. Look for something like BT or MP3. Tap to pair and you're ready to play music wirelessly.
Paired.
You can also connect via the AUX cable or insert a TF card for offline music playback.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Yes, there's Mary at the man. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Friends, the bass and sound quality are surprisingly good. And yes, the audio actually comes from the bottom of the gramophone, not the horn. So you get that deep, rich sound while still keeping the vintage charm. If you have any questions about setting up or using the Kepper gramophone, drop them in the comments below. I'll reply to everyone. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.